Beth Day's team. What's your team name?
Daydream.
Okay.
Daydream Makers.
It's the loudest or the brightest light ever. But let me tell you, this is what I was telling people about today. I'm a pretty good recruiter, and the reason I recruit is because I'm persistent. I'm not annoying, but I do continually follow up, every couple months, because here's the deal. In direct sales, you know that it takes about 10 to 12 interactions with somebody to get the actual interaction or the transaction that you want. Well, here's my thing. I am not going to do interaction or touch with that person like 1 through 8 and then have somebody else come in and do number 9 or 10 when that person's ready to sign up, because that irritates me. So I'm going to make sure that I'm the one that they know, and I'm going to constantly follow up. That is your recruiting tip of the day. Don't be number 6, be number 10.